Hi friends, this is SP Zavalkar from Creative English School, Bead Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, we have utilized good amount of time for parenting. Of course, those lectures were very useful for the parents. But friends, again we have to come to the important work that learn English grammar easily. Friends, we have finished genders, numbers, so many things from this. Today we have to start for very important chapter, that is transformation of sentences. What is that? Transformation of sentences. Mean, if the sentence is affirmative, transform it into negative. If it is negative, change it in affirmative. So for the transformation of sentences, we need some basic concepts to be clear. In this episode, only what are the basic concepts and which must be very clear to you, that we will focus. Number one, first basic concept is list of helping verbs. You must have the list of helping verb with you. Second, you must have the list of opposite words. Antonyms you must know. So those two things you must have with you. Then very easily you can convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So helping verb may be called auxiliary verbs. Helping verb may be called auxiliary verbs. What those auxiliary verbs are there? Sometime in tenses, some are the forms of to be also. But entire list as a helping verb or auxiliary verb I have given here. And, is, are, was, were, can, could, would, should, may, might, must, have, had, do, does, did, ought to, be, been, being, will, shall. This is the total list of helping verb or auxiliary verb you must know. Second thing, you must have a big list of opposite words. Say antonyms words, which they are good, bad, weak, strong, fast, slow, happy, unhappy, shallow, deep, heavy, light. So you make list of at least the 100 words with you. Now friends, which is the basic simple rule for converting affirmative sentence to negative sentence? It's very simple. A child of second standard or third standard, if suppose taught well, he or she can do it better very easily. How? First, what we have to do? We have to write the given sentence as it is. What we must have to do? Given sentence as it is. Second, put or join or write no, not, never, nothing after that helping verb in the sentence. And third is that write the opposite word. I have cited two beautiful examples here. But before that, again we will revise what four important rules we have to follow while converting given affirmative sentence to the negative sentence. Which are the rules? मतलब दिया हुआ सेंटेंस जैसा कि वैसा लिखना. सेकेंड, उसमें का जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है उसको नो, नॉट, नेवर, नथिंग ऐसा निगेटिव सेंस बताने वाले वर्ड लिखना। तीसरा जो है तो राइट डाउन द अपोजिट वर्ड, उसके बाद का जो है तो अपोजिट वर्ड लिखना। चौथा, राइट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट एज इट इज, राइट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस एज इट इज। Here I have given the two examples. One, I am happy. It's a very simple sentence कि मैं खुश हूं, मतलब मैं दुखी नहीं हूं। I am, here we have to put this, purposely I have not written here not, but I am, and we must have to add here not, and the opposite word of happy is unhappy. So you understood that am को जोड़ के बाद में वहां पर not लिखने का और happy का opposite unhappy. Finish mean we have converted affirmative to negative. Again, he was poor. क्या करेंगे तुम? He जैसा कि वैसा, was जैसा कि वैसा, only was के बाद में, because was is the auxiliary verb or forms of to be or helping verb, उसको बाद में जैसा मैं यहां बताया था कि तुमको not लगाने का। In the same manner we should have to put the not after was। और poor का अपोजिट क्या है? सोचो थोड़ा, वो बहुत poor है, मतलब he is not rich, तो poor का अपोजिट rich। और रिमेनिंग पार्ट आगे कुछ रहता तो we could write as it is. But friends, today we have made three basic concepts clear here. Number one, you must have the list of helping verb or auxiliary verb with you, which I have given here. Then you must, this is assignment for you, कि tomorrow you must have to collect at least the list of 100 opposite words, so it will make you easy to convert affirmative sentence to the negative sentences. Okay, so in this manner we have cleared the some basic concepts and rules. And about the rule I told you, writing the sentence as it is. Second, helping verb को जोड़ के no, not, never, nothing ऐसा उसमें से right appropriate word use करने का। थर्ड, उसके आगे का opposite word करने का। और फोर्थ, RP means remaining part of the sentence as it is. And the two examples I have given, I am happy, I am not unhappy. Finish. Affirmative, he was poor, he was not rich. Okay children? Fine. Have nice and great day.